Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about 7th standard Maths, chapter 2 measurements, exercise 2.1. Okay, the diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. Okay, shall we see the sums now? Yes, we will do the sum now. So for this, what you are going to do means, first you are going to write the diameter of the bullock cart. Okay. So diameter of the, write first, diameter of the bullock cart wheel equal to how much? Diameter of the bullock cart wheel equal to how much? D equal to 1.4 meter. It is given there. Okay. Now next, what they are saying, find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. For that purpose, you are going to find out in one rotation. Then it's easy for you to find out 150 rotation. Isn't it, children? Okay. Now we will find now. See here what is given. So distance covered. So distance covered in one rotation. Rotation equal to nothing but circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle. This is nothing but it is given there, D is given, diameter is given. So which formula you are going to use? Pi D. So take down this, nothing but pi D. That is 22 by 7 into 1.4. In the place of D, apply this one. Now in the 7th table, that 1.4 means that is 14. How many times it will go? 7 2s are 14. But before that, the last to first. So look at that. Here, before one place only they kept point. So before this 2, you are going to keep the point. Now you are getting there is no more number. So you are keeping that as 0. That is nothing but 22 into 0.2. Then you will get 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, there is 0 only. So here this before that place, before from last to first, keep that point there. Okay. Now you are getting 4.4 meter. Okay, children. Now we are going to find out what that, we know that now we got it, distance covered in one rotation, isn't it? Now we are going to easily find out the distance covered in 150 rotation. Okay. We will see the here this sum continuation here. See here distance covered in one rotation equal to how much we got it? 4.4 meter. Okay. Now distance covered in, it is given how many rotation is given in the question? 150, isn't it? 150 is given there. So 150 rotations equal to nothing but 150 into 4.4. So you multiply this, the 0, keep it as it is, and 15 fours are how much? 60. For that 0, 6 keep it here, balance. Again in 15 table how many times? 15 fours are 60. So 60 plus 6 how much? 66. Isn't it? Then you are going to, here one point is given. So like that, keep the point here before this 0. Then you will get 660. The point should be visible. And then what is given in the distance covered in 150 rotation is nothing but 660 meter. Okay, children. Now we will see the next sum. Okay. The ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. Okay, it is given like that. Now we are going to find out what is given that 4 revolutions we are going to find out. Isn't it? Distance covered by 4 revolutions. But what is given here? The diameter of the ground. The diameter of the ground, the Okay. Now the distance covered in one revolution. If you find out the one revolution, it is easy for you to find out the 4 revolutions, isn't it? So one revolution is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Okay, what is the circumference of the circle? Already you know very well, pi d units. Pi d units. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into 350. Now in 7 table, how many times? 7 pi's are 35. The 0 as it is you put, then you will get 22 into 50. So how much you will get? 0. Last 0 as it is you put. 5 2's are 10. Again 5 2's are 10 means you get 11. 10 plus 1 11. Then you will get 1100 meter. Okay. Now the distance covered in one revolution. In one revolution equal to how much? Equal to how much is given there? 1100 meter. Therefore, the distance covered in 4 revolution. How much is given there? 4 revolution. So 4 revolution equal to 1100 into 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4. How much we got? 4400 meter. Okay children, what is given here? A wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? Okay, shall we see the answer? See here, we are going to find out here the number of frames. Number of frames. For that, what we are going to find out? What is given in the question? Length of the wire is given. From that, what is given? One more thing. Radius is given 7 centimeter. So radius of each circular frame equal to 7 centimeter. From that, we are going to find out the number of frames. Okay? Yes. Shall we see now? First one, the length of the wire. The length of the wire equal to how much? 1320 centimeter. What is given here? Radius. Radius of each circular frame. Circular frame equal to how much? R equal to 7 centimeter. What you are going to find out? Circumference of one frame. Circumference of one frame equal to, what is given? R is given, so 2 pi r units. 2 pi r units, nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. So 7 will get cancelled. You will get 2 into 22. This is nothing but 2 22s are 44. You will get 44 centimeter. Now, what we are going to find out? But we need the number of frames. So number of frames nothing but number of frames made equal to nothing but the length of the wire. The length of the wire divided by circumference of one frame. Circumference of one frame. So how much will you get? 1320 divided by 44. So it is the length of the wire is given 1320 centimeter. and then what we got, circumference of one frame equal to 44. So divide that, you will get in 11 table this will go 4 times. 11 fours are 44, 11 ones are 11, 12, 13, 2 balance. So it will become 22. So 22 in 11 table 2 11s are 22. Again this 0 as it is you put. And in 4 table, how many times it will go? 4 3s are 12. The 0 as it is you put, you will get 30 frames. How many frames made? 30 frames made. Okay, children? Are you able to understand how to find out the number of frames made? You have to find out the circumference of one frame. From that, you can find the what is given in the question. The length of the wire is given. That one divided by the circumference of one frame, then you can get the number of frames that we made. Okay. Next sum, we are going to do that as 8th question. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of 150 rupees, 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. Okay, shall we do the sum now? We are going to find out the cost of fencing. For this answer, what is given here? Rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. That means radius of the garden. Radius of the garden equal to how much it is given there? R equal to 63 meter. Okay. Now the gardener wants to fence it at the rate of per meter, rupees 150 per meter. Per meter means you are going to find out the circumference. Now circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circular garden. Circular garden equal to nothing but R is given. So which formula you are going to use? 2 pi R. 2 pi R. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R. So you will get, so in the place of R what you are going to put it here? 63. Okay. Now in 7 table how many time it will go? 7 9s are 63. Then you will get 2 into 22 how much? 44. 44 into 9. 9 4s are 36. Balance 3. Again 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 396 meter. Okay. Shall we continue this next one? What is given there? We are going to find out the cost of fencing. We are going to find out the cost of fencing now. At 1 meter equal to how much? Rupees 150. So cost of fencing at how much we got it here? 396 meter. So 396 meter, multiply that 396 into 150. So keep the 0 as it is. The last is 0, keep it as it is. Now in 5 table, 5 6 are balance 3. Again in 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 3, 48, for that 8, again balance 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 how much? 19. Now this is a first place and second place. Now third number you are going to take, so you can write, instead of putting 0 0 0 and all for multiplying, you are in higher classes, you must learn. The third place we are starting, so here I put like this, and third place I am going to start here. Okay. So here the third number, in one table if you are multiplying all these things, how much will you get? 6, 9, 3. Now add it all these things, 6 plus 8, 14, balance 1. So put the round it, that balance and all. Then 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, balance 1 again. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 59,400. So cost of fencing at 396 meter equal to how much? Rupees 59,400. Okay children, I think you can easily understand. First what is given here? Radius. So radius of the garden, it is given there, and you are going to find out the circumference of the garden, circular garden. Okay. and now you are getting, for cancelling this in 7 table 9 times is going, then you will get here 44 into 9 how much? 396 meter. So per meter means 1 meter. So cost of fencing 1 meter is given here rupees 150, and now cost of fencing at 396 meter equal to you are multiplying. So you are multiplying means you are getting here rupees 59,400 for the cost of fencing the circular garden. Is it clear? Now I think you understand well. This and all we are using in our day to day life also. Okay, how we are using the measurements in our day to day life. Okay children, thank you.